Hi, this is Arthur, one half of EagleBear in the Bear Boats Traders community chat room, and I am doing my second recap of a live trade. The plan is to do more of these to just get good at verbalizing my thinking, so that I can start doing that during my trades, and also capture and document what I've done, what I've learned, mistakes that I've made, and also hopefully to contribute to the community and relatively new traders like us. So this is for JD. I did 5 trades today, all JD, 3 winners, 2 losers, and learned a lot. So today I actually had a challenge for myself to not trade within the first 15 minutes. Proved harder than I thought because of how it went. So JD gapped up overnight this morning, and I was watching it with a couple of others, and I'm actually trying to limit the number of stocks that I watch to like 2 or 3. So, but I figured this was going to come down, test the moving average of the 50 on the 5, as well as the 20 on the 5, as well as the 50 on the 15. And it did that. And then it started going up, and I had to really sit on my hands to not go long as it started going up. And I rationalized that by, saying, well, let it get through all of these resistance lines first. So by the time I got there, I was so excited and anxious that I didn't kind of step back, and I jumped in on the pullback and didn't give it enough room because I was so focused on the 1-minute chart, and I got stopped out. Which I'm really trying to work on giving more room and using the other time frames. But I jumped back in, chased it a little bit because I was that confident that it was going to continue, and it did. Now, because of just recognizing the higher highs on the other, higher lows rather, on the other time frames, both on the 2 as well as on the 15. On the 5 and the 15, I was able to ride through the pullback on the 1 and not focus on that, and exit at the top. So I consider that a big win. I did trade this, as I mentioned, a few more times. The second one was another silly mistake. Didn't give it enough room. If I realized this was going to still go long, I should have used the 50 on the 1 as a stop, or used the higher time frames to do that, which I didn't do. Anyway, waited again and got back in for another decent trade, another winner, exiting at the top of this run right here. So I thought I was actually done, and I started doing my journaling when I recognized on the 15 just how strong this triangle was that was forming with the higher lows on the 15. So I decided to go one more, because if that's not a triangle, then if it doesn't look like a triangle, I don't know what does. So I decided to go back, and I'll just use the 15 for this one. So this one, I went a little earlier than than I normally would have, but I figured even if we're pullback, then I'm going to be fine. And I recognize the pullback, added to it, which is probably the first time I've averaged, scaled in, so to speak, and then waited for the bounce, which happened, and then did another exit at this level, just because I had to leave and I got tired and was getting impatient and getting a little freaked by the up and down movements, because I was losing concentration and focusing too much on the 1-minute chart. So good day. It was good to be on this side of the winning trades, given how well it seemed the community did today. And that's it. I think I'll be doing this in a little bit more detail with in my next ones in terms of how I approach the trades. I use an acronym called SITES, S-I-T-E-S. Setup, check what's the setup. Check the indicators like volume, level 2, time and sales. T is for the target. Is there a clear target, and what is that target? E is for the entry, and S is for the stop. So I try to kind of go through that checklist as I'm going through the trades, sometimes more successfully than others. So I use that as a purpose, as actually for the basis for journaling my trades as well. So that's it for now. Hope you all had a great day, and till next time. Thanks. Bye.